Understood. Take this and you take everything, Lloyd's eyes said. And what's a part of everything? Why explode? I'm not the only one whose life been pulled. Spending 1 year and 3 months. So
it's a good I just thought it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys
Now the Flames are looking to build on a weekend win over Winnipeg, and this is a different start time, 6:30 on Sports.
dickhead. Yeah, tell him.
Try to please me, 'cause I couldn't see what I might see. I'm really still in prison in my simple yellow ribbon, but I'm free. I wrote and told her.
Coming down the get-on ramp. That vehicle has the option right now, because it saw me. It's done saw me. It had the option to speed up and get out in front of me. You're in a car. I'm only doing about 65 and a 70. You could speed up and get out in front of me. Or you could put on your brakes, slow down, and merge in behind me. You have a gas pedal, you have a brake, just like I do. It's not my job to help you merge into traffic. Now, you can act the fool like you just did right there, like you're going to run an 18-wheeler off the road. That's stupidity. People like that are the kind of people I wish I could just smack them around a little bit and explain to them, hey, you have a gas pedal, you have a brake. You can speed up or you can slow down. You're merging into traffic. I'm not merging into you. You're merging into me.
Different things that Christian Slater could be doing on that line. Like at one point, I guess they had him carrying around a giant basket of fruit. But they loved him picking up the...
God.
What is this guy doing?
Are you recording?
Okay, Google. Or okay, Garmin.
Oh.
Record, say video. This is the idiot of the day. Idiot of the day.
Fucking jackass.